Welcome to Learnity. Let's explore 20 wild animals and their amazing adventures. Let's roar with the lion, king of the jungle. The elephant's trunk is like a super tool. Tigers tiptoe through trees with silent paws. Giraffes stretch high to munch on leafy snacks. Zebras wear stripes like nature's pajamas. Monkeys swing and giggle in jungle gyms. Crocodiles snap and splash in muddy rivers. Bears love honey and cozy winter naps. Rhinos charge with power and pride. Hippos splash and snooze in pool ponds. Leopards leap with lightning speed. Kangaroos bounce with baby joeys in tow. Pandas munch bamboo with fluffy charm. Wolves howl to call their pack together. Foxes sneak and peek with clever tricks. Deer dash through forests with graceful leaps. Ostriches run fast with flappy feet. Hyenas giggle and chatter in groups. Meerkats stand tall and keep watch. Sloths take it slow and love to hang.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a moment of the fun.